Introduction. Hello kids. You all must have visited a garden. Let us find out what happens when we are in a garden. Our eyes help us to see the beautiful flowers in the garden. Our nose helps us to smell the scent of flowers. Our ears help us to hear the melodious voice of the birds. Our tongue helps us to taste fruits. And our skin helps us to feel the touch. The five senses in our body help us to know the world around us. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize the sense organs in human body, understand the functions of bones and muscles, recognize the correct body posture. Human body is made of different organs. Each organ has its own specific functions. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the five sense organs of our body. These sense organs help us to feel the different things around us. Let us learn about them. The first sense organ of our body is our eyes. All living creatures have a pair of eyes on their face. Eyes are the organs of sight. They help us view and identify different things around us. Do you know why we are not able to see objects when we enter a dark room? That is because light is required by our eyes to make us view objects. The second sense organ of our body is our ears. We have a pair of ears on either side of our head. Ears are our organs for hearing. We can hear the sound of a ringing bell, a beeping car, or a ringing telephone with the help of our ears. Our ears help us to hear different sounds. The third sense organ of our body is our nose. We have one nose on our face. Nose is the organ of smell. It also helps us in breathing air. Do you know how we can differentiate and identify the smell of an agarbatti or a perfume? The nose helps us to identify the smell. The fourth sense organ of our body is our tongue. We have a tongue present inside our mouth. Tongue is the organ for taste. Tongue also helps us to speak properly. Do you know which part of our body helps us to identify the taste of yummy cake or a delicious dal? Tongue helps us to taste and identify the difference between a cake and a dal. The fifth sense organ of our body is skin. Skin is the organ for touch. It forms an outer covering of our body. Do you know which part of our body helps us to identify the difference between a soft pillow and a hard book? Skin helps us identify things by touch. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones are the hard part of our body. Bones together form a skeleton, which provides shape to our body. Bones also protect our body from external injuries. Muscles are the soft part of our body. Muscles are attached to the bones. Bones cannot move alone. Muscles attached to it helps in movement. Do you know why do we sometimes feel pain in our back, shoulders and legs? This happens due to incorrect posture of the body. Posture is the position in which we hold our body while sitting, standing, or sleeping. A correct posture includes standing straight with no bending, sitting by keeping back straight without support, and lying down with a pillow under our head. Summary. Now, friends, let's summarize what we have learnt. There are 5 sense organs in our body. Eyes are the organs of sight, ears of hearing, nose of smell, tongue of taste, and skin of touch. Bones are the hard part of our body. Muscles attach with bones and help them in movement. Posture is the way in which we hold our body while sitting, standing, or sleeping.